Hey everyone, welcome back to Turn 4 Automotive Performance. We're going to review another Weathertech product here today. This one is the no drill mud flaps. Go ahead, check out our other videos for the 3D floor mats, the floor liners, and the under seat rear organizer. Today we're going to go outside the vehicle and go with the mud flaps. These mud flaps save you a ton of money on a new vehicle purchase that you buy from a dealer. Or if you buy one used, pick up a truck used, you want to go ahead and put the mud flaps on them to protect the body of the truck. Go ahead and grab these. WeatherTech makes fantastic products made in the USA, and these are cheap. These things are $80, $90 a set for the full set of 4 from WeatherTech. You compare these to your dealers, and their dealers are going to try to hit you $200 or $300 for these, and then all the install time. These are no drill. Put them on with basic hand tools. We install them free if anyone buys them from us. This one here is for a newer, not the brand new style, but a newer GM truck. See, it's got the rotational flap right there that locks it in, and 2 bolt holes. You take out 2 bolts from your factory fender liner and just put them in this one. Very nice piece. They're all marked with made in the USA, left or right hand, so you can't mix them up. They make different ones for ones with fender flares, trucks without fender flares. These ones are made for a truck with flares. You see there's a lot more room in here. Very, very sturdy piece. These go ahead and they don't bend. They're not real flimsy, so these are a great sturdy addition to your truck. Keep the outside of the truck nice and clean, keep the rocks off it, keep the snow and salt off it if you're up here in New England like we are. This one's for an older Chevy truck, a lot narrower, right hand side one. This one is not for one with fender flares. It's got just a straight curve up the truck. This one, same thing. There's no quick clip on these. This one you just pull out 4 bolts from your factory fender flare or factory fender liner and just put the bolts in. These things are real nice condition, textured black finish on the outside. You can have these sanded and painted in a body shop if you want them color match your truck. So these things are pennies compared to what you buy at the dealer. These things, like we got a marked here for between 70 and 90 for a set for all 4 for your pickup truck. So go ahead, grab some good inexpensive body protection. Save yourself when you go ahead and trade that truck in. It'll up the value of that truck with all the rock chips down the side of it. These WeatherTech mud flaps can be had from any WeatherTech dealer. Go to our website, turn4auto.com. We get a set of these sent out to you right away. If you are in the Gray, Maine area, come on into the shop, see some of these for yourself. Be looking forward to see you. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.